I feel like when I speak Japanese, my tone gets a little bit lighter, and like every word comes off my tongue a lot more smoother than with English. Sometimes I feel like I need to think a little bit with English. But with Japanese, it's also a lot of facial expressions and a lot of weird sounds that make sense. And I feel like every single sentence or anything that you're saying, if you're having a conversation with someone, there's always some weird sound involved. One I can think of top of my head is like punyu. It's when something's kind of squishy. A good example would be, if you're looking at a baby and the baby's like cheeks are, really, really chunky, you'll be like punyu punyu. Like it's just like a sound that doesn't make sense, but it makes sense if you're speaking to someone in Japanese.